Hi and welcome back to Education for Life, and today I'm going to be talking about the Haiti earthquake in 2010. Where is Haiti? Haiti is in the west part of the island Hispaniola, an island in the Caribbean. Hispaniola is between the Caribbean Sea and the North Atlantic Ocean. Haiti is west of the Dominican Republic and southeast of Cuba. The land is mountainous and its capital is Port-au-Prince. The area is 27,750 kilometers squared and the population is 11.12 million. So, what happened? The earthquake was on the 12th of January 2010 at 4:53 p.m. and lasted for about 40 seconds. The movement of magnitude scale was 70 and reached a level 9 on the Mercalli scale and a 7 on the Richter scale. The epicenter was about 25 kilometers west of Port-au-Prince. There were about 52 aftershocks and there was a 65-kilometer rupture. Haiti is at risk of earthquakes because it is located on the northern boundary of the Caribbean and North American plates. The earthquake was on a conservative plate boundary. It is also at risk because of storms, deforestation. It is in a high vulnerability and a disaster hotspot. The Caribbean plate is shifting eastward relative to the North American plate, and the plates are moving by about 2 centimeters every year. This is some footage from the earthquake. Physical impacts that made the earthquake worse included soil conditions that led to liquefaction, which can be caused by earthquake shaking, a shallow focus, which was only 43 miles deep, the epicenter was in heavily urbanized centers, and climate change. Human impacts that made the earthquake worse included lack of funds, extreme poverty, poorly built houses, unregulated strutted houses, lack of resources for disaster risk reduction, limited health systems access, and lack of knowledge on what to do in the event of an earthquake. Short-term impacts included over 220,000 deaths, 300,000 people were seriously injured, 300,000 buildings destroyed or severely damaged, crops and irrigation channels were destroyed, 4,000 prisoners escaped, and 3 million were affected. Long-term impacts included costing Haiti's economy around $8 billion and making 1.5 million people homeless. Short-term responses included digging out survivors, dominating world news, saving lives and property, immediate emergency first aid, stabilizing as many people as possible, and evacuation. Long-term responses included continued funding for Haiti. The international community, including aid organizations, received 98% of the aid, and MSF, a medical humanitarian organization, received $138 million specifically for emergency relief in Haiti. And that's all for today. Thanks for listening, and if you enjoyed today's video, then don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.